Okay. Later on in 1965, they would name this particular official revolution as the One China policy. Okay. Actually, this was going on in the mind of Mao Zedong and the policymakers since long. Right. First, the political integration of China, and then the socio-cultural integration of China. Integration means practically making it homogeneous. Put down the term somewhere, making China homogeneous. The first part of this making China homogeneous was a political ideology called Five Fingers policy. Right? What is this Five Fingers policy? The palm which attaches these five fingers, that's Tibet. Right? And the five fingers are Aksai Chin, Uttarakhand, Nepal, Aksai Chin, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh. These are the five fingers. Right? So somewhere do mention the five